In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and use the switcher to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is working. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!